case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1970, a class action lawsuit was filed on behalf of involuntarily confined mentally ill patients at Bryce Hospital in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, who were denied their right to treatment in a humane environment and individualized care. The case, Wyatt v. Stickney, was heard by the United States District Court for the Middle District of Alabama in 1972 and focused on establishing minimum constitutional standards for treating patients with mental illness in hospitals. Initially, the court held that patients have a constitutional right to receive individual treatment and ordered the hospital to raise the level of care to the minimum standards required by the Constitution. Defendants were also ordered to file reports defining the mission and functions of the hospital and detailing its progress toward the implementation of minimum constitutional standards. The plaintiffs later enlarged their class to include patients at Searcy Hospital and Partlow State School and Hospital. During the proceedings, the court found the defendants' treatment program deficient in providing a humane environment, qualified staff in sufficient numbers, and individualized treatment plans. Consequently, they ordered a formal hearing to submit proposed standards for constitutionally adequate treatment. Ultimately, the court held that mental health institutions must comply with constitutional standards for the treatment of involuntarily confined mentally ill patients. To meet these standards, institutions were required to provide a humane environment, qualified staff, individualized treatment plans, comprehensive physical and mental evaluations, adequate medical and mental health treatments, nutritionally adequate diets, special provisions for minors, detailed patient records, and written notice of treatment standards. The court determined that lack of funds could not justify non-compliance, and failing to meet these standards would violate due process. Therefore, proper funding was deemed crucial for public mental health facilities.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class